At International Steels Limited, we create steels that impact lives across the globe. At the ISL Service Center, flat-rolled steels of various grades and specifications are processed into different forms for a wide range of applications under one roof. Cut-to-length products transform full-length coils into sheets of customer-specified dimensions. Slitting involves cutting full-width coils to the desired strip width. The company profiles sheet metal for roofing, cladding, and enclosure panels. ISL Service Center produces a comprehensive range of structural channel sections and purlins for construction-related applications such as pre-engineered buildings and light-gauge steel structures.
As a pioneer and the largest steel manufacturer, we understand the need of customer and the industrial landscape of Pakistan. Going forward, ISL Service Center will continue with its mission to keep providing the high-quality products to our customer.
ISL, shaping tomorrow.